Hey everyone, Jessica with ShortStack here. You probably already know that a contest or giveaway is an excellent tool for capturing leads and engagement. ShortStack has dozens of holiday-themed contest and giveaway templates that can be set up in less time than you think. In this video, I'll show you how to customize ShortStack's holiday giveaway template and make it live on the web. From start to finish, it'll just take a few minutes. So let's get started. In ShortStack, I'll create a new campaign and select the holiday giveaway template. The giveaway template will open in ShortStack's Builder. The content that is currently displayed is done so via these widgets, represented here in the Edit Widgets panel. To edit the content, I'll edit the widgets. To replace this image here, I'll edit this image widget. I'll click the trash can icon to remove the current image that's already there and either upload a new image or select one that I've already uploaded to the Media Manager. To edit this text, I'll edit this rich text widget over here. This form container displays the entry form for this contest. You can customize the fields by adding and editing these field widgets. Before you begin to edit the fields, customize some settings in the form container itself. For example, under Entry Restrictions, edit how many times you'd like to allow participants to enter. I'll leave it on the default setting, which will allow participants to enter one time only. You can also set up an alert to let you know when a new entry has been submitted. Add up to 3 email addresses to receive these alerts. When you're done editing the form settings, click Save and Exit. You can edit the individual fields within the form by editing each field widget. I like to keep my entry form as simple as possible, so I'll just add one more checkbox to collect an opt-in to join my email list. To customize what is seen when the giveaway is shared, I'll edit this Share widget. If the giveaway is shared to Facebook, you'll want the post to be big and eye-catching, so I'm going to use a photo that's 1200 by 630 pixels in size. Lastly, I'll add some official rules that I created using a template. I'll link to the template in the video description. Okay, now that I've customized all of the content, I'd like to make the look of this giveaway match my branding a bit better. I'll do that in the Style panel. Under the Theme tab, under General, I can edit this color palette, and you'll see the elements update in the giveaway. I'll link to a video with instructions on how to use the Style panel in this video's description. I'll open the navbar widget and replace the logo. Now that I'm done styling it, I'll click the preview button and do a quick test. It's ready to publish, so I'll click Publish Campaign. I'll customize the URL a bit, and voila, it's live on the web.